There's enough with the first onion. You always ballpark it.
So, as you're watching these videos and you have like an idea of what I could be doing better or different, write it down in the comment and I will take note of it. And you know, if you have a suggestion during like if you give me a recipe, I'll say, you know, this was given to me by, you know, so and so, or a suggestion. This was, like, I'll say, you know, this was suggested by so and so. You know, if you're, you know, trying to grow your channel, one of my viewers, you know, here's, you know, your name, you know, might get somebody checking out your channel. You know, it's all kind of a, I believe in, you know, like if some, like another YouTubers, you know, watching my videos, it's helping me out, you know. I believe if you're gonna help me out, I'll help you out. You know, like I try not to be selfish like that, because, you know, it's all about, you know, getting the views and all that. It's just how the game's played, you know.
If you use the knife, you get it done pretty well.
I don't know, I was just ready to get it done pretty with my hands.
Don't you find that a little quicker than the way you were doing it at home?
Well, the one episode that Sabrina was talking about, like, I wasn't, like, you know, going for a specific type of, like, when I was cutting the onions, I was just like, you know, like that. I just wanted them chopped, and I just pull them in, throw them in, you know. I wasn't really going for a presentation or a, like, you know, a specific kind of way to cut it. I just wanted them cut and chopped up, kind of rough, but yeah, like, you know, chopping like this, you know, it's a lot better just doing it that way.
You can use that end.
I'll be doing that.
Just make sure the little tip is off, and then you're good.
Alright. Cut this last piece.
I never worry about presentation. I only ever cook for my family, so I don't really care what it looks like. But when you're cutting certain ways, it's better to cut it easier.
Okay, so it's all in there. Now what?
Yeah, gonna turn the burner on.
About 6.
No, you're gonna keep it on about, turn it on high to get the pan hot, and then you'll turn it down. You're gonna want to add a little bit of olive oil to the vegetables, which is in the cupboard here. That's good. Just enough to moisten the veggies. No. Back there.
Just starting to learn where everything is at my place. Get this stirred in a little bit. I don't know how she does it, but I always like cooking with certain spices. You know, even with a spaghetti sauce. Like there is a spaghetti sauce that I used to make, you know, back in the day. Like after I was out of high school, me and my buddies, we'd a couple times actually, we would make this spaghetti sauce that was just like you hit the floor. It was good. It was really meaty. I threw a lot of spice in it, a lot of hot stuff, and a lot of meat, ground beef, Italian sausage, chopped up sausages, but
Isn't that the recipe you gave me?
yeah, I think so. But I don't know how she's gonna do it. Right now, I'd be throwing in a lot of stuff, but cook her away.
Turn the temperature down a little bit. As the pan's sizzling, so it tells me it's hot. That's good.
Yeah. So now what?
You're gonna get the red wine out of the fridge.
Red wine.
Bottom shelf.
This one here?
Yeah.
So how much?
I don't measure.
You don't measure, huh?
That's good.
Good.
The only time I measure is when I'm baking. Oh, that smells good.
Yeah, it does. I don't drink alcohol myself, but I do like to cook with it. And I've been thinking about a long time ago. This guy I know, he cooked this chicken with a Jack Daniel's marinade, and it was delicious. I've been thinking about doing that, picking up a I don't know if it'd be Jack Daniel's, but some kind of strong whiskey, and putting it in like a marinade, and just, you know, cooking all the alcohol off, so it's just the flavor.